light it, and then there is fire. If this thing should happen in your house, the first thing that you have to do is to be courageous. Never use water. For example, have a look at it. Never use water. Not even a bucket of water or a fire tender can off this. But use the bowl. Dry your hand. Let your hand be dry. Let it be dry. The bowl. Just use your thumb finger. Go in front of the fire and just put a stop to it. And then we are gone. I'll go in for a second demonstration. I open the valve and then I on it. Like I said, this is where you close. There is a fire. You just use your thumb, any of your finger, just straight on it, and then it's gone. Then another one, of course. Let me open you. Let's say you are not bold enough to use your hand. The best way to do is to use your finger to stop it. But if you are not bold enough to do it, there is a second way. Have a look at it. Okay. Now, this is a wet cloth. A wet cloth. A very wet one. The best way is to use your hand. But if you cannot use your hand and maybe you are scared, you can just use this. So just look at it. And then